Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel Channel. I'm going to share with you how to make this crochet bat. I made it with medium worsted yarn. This is great for Halloween. I used an F hook. You could add a magnet to the back and add it to your fridge, add it to any Halloween pattern. And if you are a beginner, there is a beginner's playlist on how to do beginner stitches down below in the description. And you can also place this video in slow motion if it is too fast. And if you haven't already, please subscribe for more videos in the future, and let's get started. To get started, I'm going to create a chain 3 and 11 double crochet in this magic ring. And if this is your first time doing a magic ring, I have a video on how to do that down below. Just wrap it around your fingers, grab the yarn, pull through, and do a chain 3 right into the magic ring. And then I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through 2 loops to complete a double crochet. You have 2 stitches, you're going to work 10 more double crochet. I did this in the orange. It shows up better on camera than the black yarn. Now you're going to pull it closed, and then on top of the chain 3, create a slip stitch. And then you are going to create a chain 3. And then double crochet in the same stitch. And then chain 3. And you're going to slip stitch in the 3rd chain from the hook. This creates the ears. So insert your hook, grab the yarn, and pull through. Then in the same stitch, in the same space, you're going to create 2 double crochet. And then chain 3 and slip stitch into the 3rd chain from the hook. And then in the same space, create 2 double crochet. And then you're going to slip stitch into the same space, insert your hook, grab the yarn, and pull through. And then you're going to slip stitch into the next space. And then chain 9. And then you're going to single crochet in the 2nd chain from the hook, and then each chain will get a single crochet to the end. yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, and now you're going to slip stitch into the next stitch and turn, and then in the next 6 stitches you're going to work a single crochet, and then you're going to turn and then work 1 single crochet in the next 6 until you get to the end. And then you're going to slip stitch in the next stitch. And then you're going to turn and then single crochet in the next 4 stitches. And then turn and single crochet in the next 4 stitches. And then slip stitch into the next stitch, and then turn and then single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then you have 2 stitches left, and then turn, single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then slip stitch, slip stitch until you get to the beginning. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, and then chain 9, and this is just all repeat. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook and each chain across to the end. And then turn and slip stitch into the next stitch. And then you're going to single crochet in the next 6, turn, and then turn, and then single crochet in the next 6 stitches, and then slip stitch, and single crochet in the next 4 stitches, and then turn, and then single crochet in the next 4. And then slip stitch, and then single crochet in the next 2. And then turn, and then single crochet in the next 2. And then slip stitch. And then slip stitch again. And then you're going to yarn over and pull through. And you need to weave in all your ends. So take your yarn needle and weave in your ends. Weave it in about 2 to 3 times. And then your bat will be complete. You could even add a magnet to it and add it to your fridge. I hope you enjoyed this crochet bat tutorial, and the pattern is down below. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And this is great for appliques. You can add a magnet on the back, add it to your fridge, add them on any type of crochet Halloween pattern. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.